A UFO shuts down an airport in India and 2 fighter jets are sent after it. What am I talking about? Let's jump in and find out. Hi, I'm Patrick. This is Vetted. Let's do this, baby. All right, so what are the details? Let's watch this clip and we'll get some more information. I've got a couple articles that add some more context, and then we're going to just take a look at a map and see where exactly this is in the world. But yes, absolutely crazy. A UFO at an airport in India. It shuts down the airport, okay? And 2 fighter jets are sent after it. So that's why I'm covering this, because it's pretty interesting. I mean, it shut down the airport. So there's a video of the actual UFO that we're going to watch in this video, all right? Let's jump in.
A UFO is said to have been spotted in Imphal at the airport. Well, this news being confirmed, CISF official reports that a UFO sighting right over Imphal. IAF has deployed Rafale jets now to search for the UFO. CISF officials claim that UFO moved westwards. It was around 2 p.m. In the afternoon when this sighting happened. Flights have been diverted owing to the UFO sighting. In fact, this happened on Sunday when the CISF officials reported sighting a UFO over Imphal airport out of an emergency. They have decided to halt flight operations briefly. It's now resumed, but at that point when this happened at around 2 p.m., we believe they've sighted this UFO, and at least 3 flights were diverted. A couple of flights that were to take off were halted until the situation was clear. Manjeet Negi joins us for more on that. In fact, his inputs, Manjeet, the inputs have come from the civilian officials about presence of a UFO near Imphal airport, after which one Rafale was also launched from Hashimara, but it could not really see anything around there. Visuals were blurred. This is top information coming in from strong sources. The first aircraft returned to its base. Another one was launched towards the area to double check, but it could also not really ascertain the UFO sighting. But though locals nearby, the ATC, air traffic control of the airport there, all of them, and the ground staff as well, have spotted this UFO. Investigation is underway. Manjeet Negi for more on that. Manjeet, give us more on what exactly is the government doing? This sighting in Imphal has really left the airport officials there nervous.
Well, as per the IF sources, the input came from the CISF official and about the UFO near the Imphal airport, and which after that the Air Force Rafale fighter was launched from the Hashimara Air Base, but could not see anything, and either the visual on the radar. And the second aircraft also sent and returned after without register any presence of any UFO and any other thing. And in the past, Eastern Command said that the Air Force activated the air defense response system and also sent 2 fighter jets, Rafale.
Right. Now, to corroborate this information, is the government really trying to rope in expertise on this? This is this, of course, is a UFO sighting, something that is that hasn't happened before in India. Do tell us, how is the government going to really corroborate this information that many of them in the airport claim to have seen?
There's never been a UFO sighting in India? Is that what you just said?
Well, as we heard in last couple of years, there are some few incidents like this, and because of that.
Okay, see, now the guy's saying no. The last couple of years, there's been a few incidents like this. So they scrambled 2 fighter jets and activated the air defense system for this. Ground crew saw it, right? The person that made this video, right? Other people saw it. So like, people from the airport are seeing it. Pilots saw this, okay? So it wasn't just some random a lot of people saw this, and they've done a lot for it.
The diverted flight, including Indigo flight from the Kolkata, which was initially hold on Guwahati, and the Indian Air Force Eastern Command at Shillong also informed about the development, and in Manipur border and Nagaland, Mizoram, and Assam, the Air Force activated all its assets.
Right.
Activated all its assets. So, there's the video, right? We can see the video. I mean, that they said it was at 2 p.m. in the afternoon. This looks like nighttime video, doesn't it? So, I mean, that's a little strange. Let's read this right here. The Indian Air Force scrambled 2 Rafale fighter jets after getting information about the sighting of an unidentified flying object near Imphal, I hope I'm saying that right, airport in Manipur on Sunday. The Rafales launched from Hashimara Air Base could not spot anything, top sources told India Today. The Indian Air Force scrambled 2 Rafale fighter jets after getting information about the sighting. Okay, that just said the same thing. That just said the same thing. Apparently they sent one out to check. They couldn't find anything, and then they sent so they didn't go out together. Then they sent a second one to just double check after that first one had gotten back, and didn't find anything. But it did shut the airport down. So again, I'll put links to all this so you can find out. But a couple of these articles I have some more details in here. All right, so this one says right here, look, a UFO was spotted over Imphal Airport on November 19th, disrupting schedules, causing delays and disruption of flights. Various defense agencies are investigating the sighting. Flight services in Imphal were disrupted in the afternoon. Okay, yes, the disruption caused delays for 3 flights and led to the diversion of 2 planes before services were normalized after 3 hours, they added. The Indian Air Force Eastern Command at Shillong was also informed, as per the official. Due to the sighting of an unidentified flying object within Imphal-controlled airspace, 2 flights have been diverted and 3 departing flights have been delayed. Flight operations commence after receipt of clearance from the competent authority, Airport Director Shipameni Kishing said. So, one of the 7 sister states in Northeast India, Nagaland, Mizoram, and Assam, share domestic borders with Manipur. The state also shares an international border to its east with Myanmar. So here's all we know so far about the UFO. An official received a message from the Central Industrial Security Force, the CISF, at 2:30 p.m. on November 19th about sighting a UFO near the airport. The official told PTI the UFO was visible with bare eyes moving westwards of the airfield till 4 p.m. So for an hour and a half, this UFO is floating around the airport. Among the diverted flights was the Kolkata to Imphal Indigo Airlines flight, which was sent to Guwahati after a 25-minute holdup. Delayed flights were, however, held up for at least 3 hours amid the UFO sighting. The Indian Air Force, IAF, scrambled 2 of its Rafale fighter jets from a nearby air base to the sighting area to search for the UFO, as per an ANI report citing defense sources. The sources added that the Rafale jets were equipped with advanced sensors and carried out low-level flying over the suspected area to look for the UFO, but it did not find anything there. Sources added that concerned agencies are working to clear the details from videos captured by witnesses. The Indian Air Force Eastern Command at Shillong has also activated its response mechanism, it said in a post on social media X, writing, IAF activated its air defense response mechanism based on visual inputs from Imphal Airport. The small object was not seen thereafter. So that's kind of crazy, right? Here, so more just has more information. So flight operations at Bur Tikin Jarret International Airport. That's what that airport was officially renamed to. So that's the official name of the airport, not Imphal Airport. It was closed for 3 hours and 20 minutes on Sunday following an unidentified flying object hovering above the airport. A senior airport authority of India official said that the flight operations at the airport in Imphal were suspended for 3 hours and 20 minutes from 2:30 p.m. on Sunday afternoon, and the flight operations were resumed in the evening as usual after a thorough checkup about the UFO. Can you imagine being on, waiting for your flight and they're like, "Now there's a UFO out there. This is delayed." Sir, why did you not make it back to your family? UFO. Business meeting, right? Just what a crazy, that's crazy. The official said that 2 flights from Delhi and Guwahati have been diverted and 3 departing bound flights have been delayed, and the flight options restarted after getting clearance from the competent authority. All right. So here's another video. Oh, that's the same one. Yeah. The UFO was reportedly sighted by the Central Industrial Security Force personnel and a pilot, there we go, of a private airliner before his flight was about to depart around 2:20 p.m. So a pilot and personnel from the Central Industrial Security Force, they're the ones that saw this. Unprecedented. This just talks about some stuff that happened there. Yeah, this is. I'm going to click this real quick. I want to see if there's anything there. Oh, okay. So it's daytime, but when they zoom in, it just gets darker. But yeah, that's the video, y'all. So it's a white balloon-like object. There it is. I don't know why it has that stuff on the side. I don't think that's footage of the actual jets. I don't think that's footage of the actual jets going out, but the beginning of it did play the sighting video. So you can't really see it. Let's see if I can make this bigger, y'all. Oh, hang on. Oh. That's not working. All right, well, there's the video. I'll put a link to this so you guys can see it. Yeah, it's not really a good video, right? I mean, can't really see anything at all. So that's interesting. That is interesting. So here is where it's at, right? Okay, so here's the airport. We can zoom out from here and see where in India this is. Okay, look at this. All right, here's the Chinese border, right? India right here. It's way over here. So just to give you an idea, right? Here's Africa, Saudi, Middle East, right? Coming over here, China, right there. That's where this took place. So very interesting, y'all. What do y'all think? Let me know in the comments. Pretty crazy. How would y'all have reacted if your flight got delayed for that reason? I wonder if they told people. I mean, it must have been all over the local news there, right? So they must have been like aware of it. So yeah, pretty crazy. So anyway, yeah, UFO spotted over Indian airport, air defense systems put up, right? 2 fighter jets scrambled, shuts down the airport. I mean, this is getting serious, y'all, right? That's, I hope our airports take that same concern, right? As well. So anyway, yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments. Curious to hear everyone's comments about this. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, hit that like button. Helps us out a lot. And please, again, just comment down below what you think of this incident, right? I'm super curious to hear your comments. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Again, we put out a new video every day, 12 p.m. Central Standard Time, USA. All right, I'm Patrick with Vetted. We'll see you on the next video. Remember, every day's a gift. Peace, y'all.